Welcome friends, I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor from computerfever.com. Friends, in previous video I have taught you about the responsive embed video, and I have told you these two different aspect ratio. And in this video, this will be the last video of this bootstrap course. I will tell you that how can you make ready-made bootstrap interface or layout very easily. So friend, you will go to this layoutit.com. You will write this layout www.layoutit.com. and you will just click over it. Start now with Bootstrap 3. And here you will first click over this inverse, and you are watching that there is inverse kind of navigation bar is showing. Now you click over position and you will click nav bar fix top, and this our top navigation bar, inverse top navigation bar has been fixed here. So now I come down, these are three sections. Now I click over this base CSS, plus sign and base CSS. I have clicked over it, and now I am going to click over image, the last option, image. Now you are watching, this is the image. I have dragged this image and placed here. In the same way, I get one more image, drag it and place it here. Now I get the third image and I paste it in the third column. Now I go to grid system, and inside the grid system I will go the top one, drag, and I click over it and I paste it here. This is the first row, complete call LG12. Now I will click over base CSS, and now I will get a form. Under it I have pasted the form. Now I go once again to grid system and I paste it here down. Now once again I click over base CSS. Now I get the table. And I paste this table here, so I get this style, click over and border. So I also click over hover. So now you're watching the hover effect also working. Friend, now I click over this. In this way, friend, you can use all these tables: description, order list, unordered list, block code, address, paragraph, everything, but I have just pasted these few options here to tell you. Now I will click over this download, and I will click over this continue non-logged. Now I will copy it. Friend, you can also download it in a zip format. If you click over it on this download, you can download all this in zip format. And if you in this way, if you click over Control A, select all, and Control C to copy, then this is also the good option. So now I click over this new tab and here I will write getbootstrap.com. And this is the getbootstrap.com. So I go, you let it open, getting started. I have clicked over getting started. And here is the basic template you are watching. So first I will copy it. I copied it. I go to my Notepad++. This is my previous file, so there is no need to open this previous file. So I press Ctrl N and I press Ctrl V. All the basic structure I have copied here. Now I press Ctrl S to save, and here I write layout.html. So I have pasted here. So friend, now I will remove all this h1 tag. If I open it, first I show you that if I open this page, this is the layout.html. So you are watching that h1 only will be shown. Hello world h1 is showing. So I will remove first this h1 because now I don't have any need of h1. Now I will also remove this one, and I will include my own jQuery file. As you know that I have pasted here my own jQuery file. I will copy that link from here, the whole script tag, and pasted it here. So now I will paste this link here. Now I will copy it and paste it here. Friend, now I go to this page and refresh this page. So friend, now you are watching that this top box inverse sticky navigation bar is also showing. When I scroll it down, it does not move, and all this basic bootstrap theme with these three sections are also showing in this way. Friend, in this way you can make your own bootstrap website layout very easily. Going over this bootstrap, this layoutit.com. If you go to this layoutit.com website, so you will make very easily your own website. Friend, now the second portion of this video is bootstrap swatch. Bootswatch.com, not bootstrap, bootswatch.com. So from this website bootswatch.com, you can get these different kinds of layout design, different kinds of these buttons, different kinds of these navigation bar, and you can also watch the preview of everyone. This navigation bar style, this kind of buttons. This website is also very famous and very important for those who want to use Bootstrap. Like you can get this kind of buttons or this kind of navigation bar. If you want to see the preview of anybody, you will just click over this preview. You can also download it from here. Friend, this kind of, you are watching the sidebar, and this kind of navigation bar is showing here. Also drop down, and you can also see that this navigation bar is also showing here. This is the nav bar you are watching, and everything whatever you want to get, these kind of buttons you can get from it very easily. And this is the typography, and this is the table style, this is the form style. You can see that these different kinds of input error, input warning, input success, all these. So and these are the progress bars. You can get these progress bars very easily from here. Animated progress bar, simple progress bar, strip progress bar, stack progress bar, and this is the jumbotron, and light groups, panels, everything, whatever you want you can get. This is the model style. Whatever you want you can get very easily from this website, bootstrap.com. So friend, once again I go to my bootstrap.com, and here too, if you want to learn this bootstrap.com more, here all the options, whatever the option you want, if you click over this CSS, then easily on this right sidebar you read this is a grid system. Everything will be about grid system. If I click over it, then you can see that everything about grid system, about media queries, everything. And this is the stack to horizontal grid system which I made in first video. Everything is here. And if you click over this typography, you will read everything about this H1, H2, H3 and H4 tag, about typography. In the same way, if you click over list, you will get everything about list, that how can you make the list. And if you want to know something about table, you click on table, and here you will find everything about table, border table, and how hover rows and everything. Whatever you want you can get here. You can also get the source code, and you can also get the idea. In the same way, if you want to know the form, you will click on forms, and here everything is been told here about the form, inline form here, and everything, horizontal form, everything here. So friend, you can get all kinds of help from this bootstrap.com. I hope that you will like this bootstrap course, and this was the last video. So now I get a permission to leave. Goodbye.